Very beautiful good morning to class 12 biology students. Previously we have discussed the female reproductive system. Now today I am going to discuss about the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is quite different from the female as well as simpler than female, because in the female reproductive system so many processes will occur. So we are going to start to explain this male reproductive system. The main organ of the male reproductive system is testes. And you can see in the diagram a pair of testes in the male is situated outside the abdominal cavity. एक पेयर में टेस्टिस मेल में एब्डोमिनल कैविटी से बाहर सिचुएटेड होती हैं, एंड दीज आर कवर्ड बाय दीज टेस्टिस आर कवर्ड बाय द कवर. दिस कवर इज नोन एज स्क्रोटम. दिस कवरिंग ऑफ टेस्टिस इज नोन एज स्क्रोटम. देयर इज अ रीजन. Due to this reason, these testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity, because the process of spermatogenesis, it means the process of formation of sperm, require 2 to 3 degrees Celsius less temperature than our body temperature. That's why this outer situation give this less temperature to the testes. That's why they can form the sperm. If we see the inner structure of testes, I will explain the inner structure in the next video. Today I am going to show you what structures are present inside the testes. If we want to discuss the inner structure of testes, then every testes is made up of 250 compartments. हर एक testis जो है वो 250 compartments से मिलकर बनी होती है. And these compartments are called testicular lobules. इन compartments को हम क्या कहते हैं? Testicular lobules. In turn, these testicular lobules, each testicular lobule is made up of 2 to 3 tubes. These tubes are called seminiferous tubules. Firstly, the testes is made up of 250 compartments, and these 250 compartments are called testicular lobule, and each compartment is made up of 2 to 3 tubes. These are known as seminiferous tubule. If we see the internal structure, the transverse section of the seminiferous tubule, then we can say that every seminiferous tubule is made up of 3 type of cells, especially 2 type of cells. These 2 cells are male germ cells and also called spermatogonia, and another are Sertoli cells. ये 2 तरह की cells present होती हैं seminiferous tubule में. Spermatogonia, also known as male germ cells, and Sertoli cells. The function of spermatogonia to produce the sperms, and the function of Sertoli cell to give nourishment to these sperm. Spermatogonia का काम है स्पर्म्स का फॉर्मेशन करना, और सर्टोली सेल्स का काम है इनको नरिशमेंट देना. इन बिटवीन दीज 2 सेल अ स्पेस इज प्रेजेंट. एक स्पेस प्रेजेंट होता है इन दोनों सेल्स के बीच में. दिस स्पेस इज नोन एज इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेस, एंड in between this space the cells are present which are known as Leydig cells or interstitial cells, and the function of these Leydig cells to secrete the male hormone which are commonly called androgens. So firstly, seminiferous tubule has especially 2 type of cell, male germ cells also called spermatogonia, another cells are Sertoli cell. The function of spermatogonia to produce the sperm, and the function of Sertoli cell to give nourishment to these sperms. In between these cell a space is present that is known as interstitial space, and in this space a special type of cells are present which are known as interstitial cells or also called Leydig cells, and the function of Leydig cell to secrete the male hormones which are commonly called androgens. Now this is the discussion of the testes. Now these testicular lobules or the seminiferous tubule open into the another tube. These are known as ratty testes, and these ratty testes finally open into the vasa efferentia, and then vasa efferentia open into a highly coiled tube. These are known as epididymis, and finally epididymis ascends in the direction of ureter, and this duct is known as vas deferens, and this is the place where the sperms are stored. ये वो place है जहाँ पर temporarily sperm store होते हैं. This vas deferens make a loop over the urinary bladder. एक लूप बनाता है urinary bladder के ऊपर, and finally it opens as a duct that is known as ejaculatory duct. एक ट्यूब के फॉर्म में आगे की तरफ खुलता है. दिस डक्ट इज नोन एज इजाकुलेटरी डक्ट. एज वी नो दैट देयर इज अ कॉमन पैसेज फॉर द यूरिनेशन एंड फॉर द ट्रांसफर ऑफ स्पर्म इन द मेल्स. सो दीज यूरिनरी सिस्टम एंड द रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ मेल इज मर्ज्ड टुगेदर. आपस में जुड़े हुए रहते हैं कहीं ना कहीं. इन बिटवीन दिस in between the ejaculatory duct and the vas deferens there are some glands situated which have different function, which I will discuss in the next session. What are the function of different glands present in the male and female reproductive system? These three main glands which are situated in the male reproductive system are seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. And finally this vas deferens open into a external genital organ. Inside it ejaculatory duct is present. This external genital organ of male is known as penis, which is covered by a loose skin that is known as foreskin, and the outermost part is known as the glans penis. This penis is made up of a special type of tissues which help to erect this penis at the time of insemination. ये जो penis है वो special type के loose connective tissues से मिलकर बना होता है ताकि at the time of insemination, it means at the time of sperm ejection in the female body, it can erect, it can do the erection. So basically these are these three glands which are situated in the male. ये तीन gland जो male में situated होते हैं उनके combined function होते हैं to secrete a liquid structure which is rich in fructose, calcium and different other hormones which help to for the survival of sperm, जो sperm के survival में help करते हैं, which help to give the nourishment to the sperm as well as it make the passage of the external genital system of male easy. ये रास्ते को थोड़ा easy बना देते हैं, lubricate कर देती है स्पेशली bulbourethral gland, ताकि आसानी से जो स्पर्म है वो पास आउट हो सके. द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस सेमिनल वेसिकल ग्लैंड टू सिक्रेट अ लिक्विड सब्सटेंस दैट इज नोन एज सीमेन. एक्चुअली सीमेन इज अ लिक्विड प्लस स्पर्म. ये एक लिक्विड सिक्रेट करता है जिसमें क्या ऐड हो जाता है, स्पर्म ऐड हो जाते हैं, एंड all together these are known as semen. And when the sperm are pass out from the body of the male, these are transferred in the form of semen. So this is the complete male reproductive system. Okay, so please this is very important to learn the diagram को learn करना मेरा कहने का मतलब है each and every organ along with its function is necessary to learn, and what are the functions of different part. So do the practice of this diagram. इस diagram की practice करें, each and every part function उसको याद करें आप और अच्छे से इसको प्रिपेयर कर लें. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट कम इन द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ज़्यादातर बोर्ड एग्जाम में आता है, मेल या फीमेल में से एक आता है जिसमें आपको डायग्राम शो करना होता है और जो उसके पार्ट्स एंड डिफरेंट नेमिंग है वो करनी होती है अलॉन्ग विद द फंक्शन. सो टुडे दिस इज द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल डिस्कस द अनदर टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. टिल देन गुड बाय, हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल डे.